you went into the neighborhoods where you live and you saw what it was 100, 200 years ago, there were unimaginable amounts of birds cruising through here on the Pacific Flyway, the fish coming up the rivers, the elk and antelope herds, insects and plants and indigenous humans, all tending this landscape. So most kids that grow up in Sacramento today, they don't know these things were here, they don't know they're missing, and the functions that they played, eating things and pooping them out somewhere else, that's life. So what we can start to do is learn to biomimic, to provide the functions that ecosystems and species used to do in our own relationships. We're in Del Paso Heights, the intersection of Grand and Rio Linda. We're on a property where the owner has allowed many different segments of the larger block to be turned into community spaces. We're installing a native plant garden full of California native plants that have been donated by the Xerces Society and the California Native Plant Society.
Can you tell me about the Xerces
Yeah,
Society?
we are, of course, here to increase habitat for pollinators. Pollinators have a very important role, right? We wouldn't have food without the birds and the bees, but also I think it's about increasing biodiversity. And we've actually named this garden affectionately the Del Paso Heights Friendship and Butterfly Habitat Garden. And I think that says a lot about what we hope that this garden means for the community and for the plant life and the wildlife that will now rely on this food. So we're really creating a food supply, not only for ourselves, because I think we're gonna wanna eat some of these elderberries too, but the birds will have a place to eat as well.